Big changes are coming for Windows 10 users. Starting in February, Microsoft will force install the new Outlook mail client on your devices as part of their next security update. We'll cover what you need to know to stay ahead of the curve as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Recently, Microsoft announced it'd be forced installing its new Outlook client on Windows 10 devices, whether you want it or not. The new Outlook client will automatically install with the February 11 security update, and if you opt into the earlier January 28th update, you'll get it even sooner. Now, let's clarify what this change means. First, this won't replace your classic Outlook app. The new Outlook will run alongside it, keeping all of your existing configurations and settings untouched. It'll show up as a separate app in the Start menu, ready for use. And while Microsoft isn't giving businesses or users a way to block this installation, if you don't want the app, you do have the option to uninstall it after the update. That said, it will require some technical know-how to do so. So why is Microsoft pushing this new Outlook? This move is part of their effort to modernize the email experience and unify it across devices. Microsoft claims they refreshed Outlook with an interface that's aligned with other Microsoft 365 apps. It also introduces new features for collaborative projects, advanced search tools for faster email navigation, and improved calendar management. Microsoft wants users to start adopting these upgrades now, with the long-term goal of eventually retiring the classic Outlook client. Now, when it comes to managing these upcoming changes across multiple workstations, an IT provider like Rocket IT can ensure your workstations have the correct Outlook version that aligns with your organization's needs. Instead of leaving it up to individual users, a professional team can handle the installation, uninstallation, and overall management so your business stays productive and secure. To ensure smooth transition for your team, simply contact us using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.